In this third video, it will explain the specifications and advantages of two types of Sukhoi fighter aircraft, namely the Su-30MK2V and Su-30SME, three types of combat aircraft with advanced technology, which are active and used by the Vietnamese and Myanmar militaries. So don't forget to like and watch this video until it runs out. Also watch the video about the most beautiful beach in Southeast Asia in the recommended video in the top right corner. Su-30MK2V is an export version of the Su-30MK2 for Vietnam. The Su-30MK2 multi-role fighter aircraft is an improved version of the Su-30MKK, a member of the Su-30 aircraft family. The multi-role variant offers enhanced combat capabilities against aerial, ground and sea-based targets. The Su-30MK2 combat aircraft offers superior maneuverability and can be deployed to engage manned and unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, medium and short-range guided missiles, high-precision munitions, and other airborne weapons. It can also be used in aerial reconnaissance and training missions. The Su-30MK2 fighter aircraft features reinforced airframe and a tricycle landing gear. It is capable of engaging targets in all weather conditions during day and night. It has a length of 21.9 meters, a height of 6.4 meters and wingspan of 14.7 meters. The maximum and limit takeoff weights are 34,500 kilograms and 38,000 kilograms respectively, and the payload carrying capacity is 8,000 kilograms. The digital glass cockpit accommodates two crew members in tandem configuration. It is equipped with new color multifunctional, digital LCD screens for displaying flight and navigation information and graphical data. It also incorporates electromechanical indicators and advanced navigation and radio communications. The airborne radar aboard the Su-30MK2 is capable of searching and designating aerial targets, as well as short and medium-range guided missiles. It is also used to measure coordinates of ground-based radio contrast targets. The Su-30MK2 combat aircraft is attached with 12 hardpoints under the wings and fuselage to carry a range of missiles, bombs and rockets. It also integrates a built-in 30mm GSH-301 automatic, single-barreled gun with 150 rounds of ammunition. A number of guided and unguided weapons are also fitted to the aircraft to destruct surface targets. The Su-30MK2 multi-role combat aircraft is powered by two AL-31F high-temperature double-circuit turbojet engines, which generate a thrust of 12,500 kilograms force each. The aircraft can fly at a maximum speed of 2,100 kilometers per hour, with a horizontal speed of 1,400 kilometers per hour. The unrefueled range of the fighter is 3,000 kilometers. The in-flight refueling system provides a flight range of up to 5,600 kilometers. The maximum altitude of the aircraft is 17,300 meters. Su-30SME is a version Su-30SM flanker heavy fighters for Myanmar's Air Force. In January 2018, it was officially reported that Myanmar ordered 6 Sukhoi Su-30SME. This export version is an upgraded modern platform based on the Russian Su-30SM. According to Jane's defense, the Sukhoi Su-30SME export version will have a normal takeoff weight of 26,090 kg and a maximal takeoff weight of 34,000 kg. The operational range is quoted as 1,280 km and the top speed is said to be Mach 1.75. The Su-30SME uses two AL-31FP afterburning jet engines with thrust vectoring nozzles for enhanced directional control. These two power plants give the aircraft a combat payload of up to 8,000 kg spread among 12 external hardpoints on the fuselage and wings. The Su-30SM will provide Myanmar's Air Force with its first-ever heavyweight twin-engine fighter, having previously relied on the lightweight single-engine J-7 and JF-17 and the medium-weight twin-engine MiG-29. The aircraft represents one of the most modern fighters deployed by a Southeast Asian state, and the most sophisticated of all Su-30 variants in many of its capabilities. The fighter inherits advanced air-to-air combat capabilities from the Soviet Su-27 air superiority fighter on which it is based, but also integrates advanced air-to-ground and anti-ship capabilities and is comparable with a wide array of highly potent specialized munitions to fulfill these roles, such as the Kh-31 and Kh-59. The fighter can carry a sizable payload of up to 12 missiles, double that of the MiG-29 and JF-17, and integrates two-dimensional thrust vectoring systems for extreme maneuverability. With a long range and a twin-seat configuration, allowing it to accommodate both a pilot and a weapons systems officer, the Su-30SM is well suited to a strike role in the penetration of enemy airspace, and if suitably armed can engage enemy aircraft and ground targets simultaneously, with the pilot operating air-to-air weaponry while the officer operates air-to-ground systems.